Hi everyone, welcome back to the Power BI with Sudhir YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to connect or import the data from Excel sheet, or how to import the data from different sources into Power BI engine. So let's see how can we do this. And first thing here is that before importing the data or getting the data into Power BI engines, I would request you that if you have not downloaded or installed the Power BI 8, then I would request you to please visit to my previous video and see how to install, how to download and install the Power BI. Now let's move on. So here we are here to learn how to get the data. So right, so if what we have to do, we have to click on home tab, and once we click on home tab, then we have to click on get data option. So see, there are multiple options here, and if you click on more option, then you will get the categorization. See this, the all file, this option, it is having all types of files, all types of options that you can select, and as per your requirement you can select and you can get the data. But if you click on file, then you will get Excel text, so it's a file based, right? And then if I click on database, so it is having related to database. Okay, so if you have certain kind of database which you are using, like Excel database, SQL Server database, okay, Oracle database, then you can choose the option and you can get the data from there. So as of now we have I have data in Excel, so I am going to click on Excel workbook. So if I click Excel workbook and then click on connect, so once you click on connect, then you can select the file. So I'm going to select my file, sales practice data, and click on open. Right, then what is happening, it is loading the data. So that sheet, I'll show you the sheet. So it is having four this is the Excel which is having four sheets, like order, customers, products, and sales facts. Okay, so that's why the four options are showing here into Power BI. So see this, now here depends on your requirement, like you want to work on customer data, you want to work on orders data, or products or sales facts. So based on your requirement, you will select the sheet. So as of now I'm going to select all four of them. Okay, and if you do not need, then you can leave it. As per your requirement, you can select the sheets. So all four sheets I have selected, and you do not have to click on transform data. First we have to click on load button. So just click on load, and once I click on load, so what will happen, that it is, see, loading, the loading is happening. So data is coming into Power BI engine. Okay, so that's why loading data to models, okay, relationships and all that. So see this, now finally data is visible here under the data. Here all data, like sheets are available here. See, if I click here customer data, so see this, data will visible. See this, all data is visible, all four sheets are available, and all data is visible here. Now once it is imported here, and so if you do any kind of changes in this sheet, okay, if you change the order ID, like ORD 1001, so if I make it test 1001, so it will not impact my this data, like here it is, sorry, order data. So let me pick up the order data. So here ORD 1001, right? So and what will happen, that it will not impact my loaded data here into Power BI. It will not impact whatever the changes you do in Excel sheet, it will remain over there. But already, because we have already made the connections and we have already imported the data into Power BI engine, so there will not be any kind of discrepancy in loaded data.